Hello, dear English learners. How are you? Today we are going to complete an important topic to improve our spoken English. So, without wasting the time, let's start the video tutorial. Stay with me, myself, Deepak Metkar, your online English tutor from Index English Academy. You can improve your English knowledge with Index English Academy. Hello, dear English learners. Today's practice is for listening practice. मैं आपके लिए ये कहानी पढ़ने वाला हूँ। आप इसे ध्यान लगाकर सुने। सुनने से हमें कई सारी बेनिफिट्स मिलते हैं अंग्रेजी भाषा को सीखने के लिए। जैसे जैसे आप सुनते जाएंगे उस तरह से आपको अंग्रेजी भाषा का नॉलेज, अंग्रेजी भाषा की वोकेबलरी, सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर्स और अंग्रेजी भाषा के हर एक शब्द के प्रोनाउंसिएशन आपको क्लियर होते जाएंगे। मैं आपके लिए यहाँ पर इस स्टोरी को पढ़ रहा हूँ। आप इसे ध्यान से सुने। The Elephant and His Friends. It's a long time ago, an elephant, while wandering, reached a strange forest. This forest was new to him. He didn't even have any friends here. He was looking for a partner to make his friends. He first approached a monkey and said, "Hello, hello, brother monkey. Would you like to be my friend?" The monkey said, "You cannot swing like me because you are too big, so I cannot be your friend." After this, the elephant went to a rabbit and repeated the same questions. The rabbit said, "You are too big to enter my hole, so I cannot be your friend." Then the elephant went to the frog living in the pond and repeated the same question. The frog replied to him, "You are too heavy to jump as high as me, so I cannot be your friend." The elephant was really sad after hearing the words of these three, because he could not make friends despite many efforts. Then, one day, all the animals were running here and there in the jungle. Seeing this, the elephant asked a running bear, "Why are you all running here and there?" The bear said, "The lion of the forest has came out on a hunt. They are running away to save themselves from him." Hearing the bear's word, the elephant went to the lion and said, "Please do not hurt these innocent animals. Please leave them alone." The lion made fun of him and asked the elephant to move aside. Then the elephant got angry and pushed the lion with all his strength, due to which he got injured and ran away from there. Now, all the other animals slowly came out and started rejoicing over the defeat of the lion. They went to the elephant and said to him, "You are just the right size to be our friend." तो डियर लर्नर्स, यहाँ पर मैंने आपके लिए ये स्टोरी को रीड किया है, आपने इसे लिसन किया है यानी आपने सुना है। सुनने से हमें अंग्रेजी भाषा में बहुत मदद मिलती है, तो आगे भी आप इसी तरह से प्रैक्टिस करते रहें। आप कुछ ऑडियोज़ वगैरह इस तरह से चलाएं या खुद भी पढ़ें या आप किसी को सुने कहते हुए, तो सुनने से हमें कई सारी बातों को क्लैरिटी नज़र आती है, हमें क्लैरिटी हमें हो जाता है, कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाता है। ठीक है, बहुत जल्द मिलेंगे नई वीडियो के साथ में। आज के लिए इतना ही। यदि आपको वीडियो मेरी पसंद आई हो तो आप इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। So dear learners, that's all for today's practice and exercise. I hope you got clear all your doubts and today you learned something new with me. Soon we will meet again with a new practice session. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, so without delay, do subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button. Till then, take care, have a nice day, keep learning, stay healthy, goodbye.